Are you new to Mailchimp and you're looking for some how-to videos with step-by-step instructions? My name is Kira Romero and I'm from The Online Fix. We've got a series on Mailchimp designed just for the online beginner. It might be just the thing you're looking for. So we cover everything that you need to know, and we've broken it down into bite-sized chunks to make it easy for you. It covers everything the beginner needs to know on Mailchimp, from capturing emails on a form you create on Mailchimp and creating your very first list, through to setting up your campaign, making sure that it's branded and looks like your business, and then sending it. We show you how to do automated sequences so that you can be sending out emails 24/7. And we even have got you covered if you make a mistake. Each of the videos come with a worksheet to help you learn and apply it to your business. In fact, we've even gone one step further and given you heaps of examples so you can see how other people do it and to help fire your creative juices. Sign up for free. Just head over to the Online Fix /Mailchimp.